How to delete group in Zangi app. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video you'd learn how you can delete group in Zangi application, and here is how to go about it. Now the first step is to go ahead and open the Zangi application on your device. After opening the Zangi application, you will be brought to the home page entirely. So on this page you would see some icons at the top part of the screen, which includes the chat icon, the calls icon, the friends tab, as well as your gear icon. Now, each of these icons stands for things that you can do on your Zangi application. So once you can see this, the next thing for you to do is to go to the chat where the group is located, and that is by clicking on your chats option. So after clicking on your chats option, you can see all of your chats being displayed here, as well as the group. So you just have to go to the group, the chat where the group is located, and then tap the group name to open the group profile info. All right, just tap the group name to open the profile info. That is after you've entered the group. All right, so ensure you enter the group and then go to the top part of the screen and tap on the group name to open the group profile info. Then after doing that, on the group profile info page, scroll down until you can see the option leave group. So just select it, and then by leaving the group, you will no longer receive notifications from the group. So after leaving the group, then go back, click on the group, then you'll see 3 horizontal lines by the group side. Just click on it, you'll see different options. Okay, among this option, just click on delete, and then just like that, that particular group would be deleted. But you cannot delete a group without leaving the group first of all. So navigate to where the group is located, click on the group name in order to go to the group info page. On the info page, scroll down until you can see the leave group option, and then after clicking on that, go back, click on the 3 dots, select delete, and then just like that, the group would be deleted. So thank you for watching, and have a good day.